It's hard to talk about the final episode of Breaking Bad without having to come to terms with the fact that it's all fucking over. Like, over, like last episode over. It sucks, but at the same time, I have to give props to Gilligan and his team for not dragging out the show, not undermining its audience, and giving it the proper end it deserved. Breaking Bad's finale is pretty much as close to as perfect ending as I could have hoped for. It's kind of weird how everything that I thought was going to happen, that I wasn't too excited about happening, if it was going to happen, didn't actually happen. And you know why? Because him going in, killing Gretchen and the other guy, him walking into the Nazis, guns blazing, shooting them all up, it's totally out of Walt's character, but yet it still sounds badass, but not Walt. So to anyone who's disappointed about the way the show ended, the way he didn't go out guns blazing, walking in there, shooting everyone down, blah 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 blah, no, you shut up. Let's start with Revenge of the Nerds though. The way the episode starts is like really tense. Goes into Gretchen's house, walks around everywhere, blah blah blah, what's going to happen? Is he going to shoot them all? Is he going to poison them, torture them, generally just mock them and say, no, I'm the badass now, motherfuckers. No, he does what makes sense, again, because what does he want? What is the still ideal that Walt is holding on to? And that's that if his family gets the money, that it'll all have been worth it. As he said a million times before, it'll all be worth it if they just get the fucking money. I think in this episode where Walt seems to have a fog have lifted from him and he seems to get clarity over most things, the idea that money going to his family will still have make it all worth it seems to be the one and only thing that he seems to hold on to still. But anyway you swing it, positives versus negatives, it still is not worth it. I love this opening moment though, and to me it was the tensest moment of the whole episode, even though what follows is cool and all that, the opening moment just seemed to be the tensest to me. After this, the whole episode seems to become a bit predictable, but not predictable the kind of way where it annoys me. It's predictable because it all makes sense. It's all the way I would have wanted it to happen. Let's just take a moment to talk about the most important aspect of the Breaking Bad finale. Jesse got one of them beards! Two! Beards. I swear beards and bows and arrows and pirates are apparently like fucking cool now. But anyway, I absolutely loved seeing Jesse strangle fucking Todd down. Fucking A, mate. And I mean watching it in a kind of serial killer-esque way where I was like nearly masturbating to it. Not really. Maybe it was. What I wouldn't have wanted to happen is Jesse actually shooting Walt. If that had happened, I don't think I would have felt as good about the moment where Jesse comes out screaming, bang, 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 bang. That moment's really cool, and I don't think it would have been as cool as if he had to have actually shot Walt. I feel like he's cleansed. I feel like Jesse comes out of it the most clean of all the people. I like to think that Jesse drives that car until it eventually stops, runs out of gas. Then he walks for a couple days exploring the countryside and living amongst people and stuff like this. Basically the plot on Man of Steel. And eventually he meets a nice girl, they settle down on the beach, have a family, and then the plot of the Need for Speed movie takes place after this, which is cool because everyone thinks Breaking Bad's ending, but we're getting this whole Jesse spin-off in the Need for Speed movie. Yeah. But come on, Jesse of all people deserved peace and tranquility, I suppose. Of all the characters, he deserved to come out the cleanest of all this, and I like to believe he does. As much as once the credits actually started flowing, I was waiting. I wanted like an after credit sequence of like showing Jesse. Nice. Please show me a happy moment of Jesse. And they don't, but I'm fine with it. That last shot of Jesse just screaming in the car seems to sum it all up somehow. But the final moment of the week does of course go to Walt. That moment where he's looking over everything in the chemical plant after he's dealt with the neo-Nazis, after he's fucking killed off this person, Jesse's going, oh good, fucking I'm about to die. He's looking over all that chemical equipment, and I'm not sure what he's thinking about. Is he just reminiscing about the last year in general, the good times, the bad times, or what I like to believe, he was looking over it all as how clean it was, how neat all the equipment was, how well taken care of it all was, and coming full circle back to the fact that Jesse obviously was taking care of that stuff. Like to think he was looking over it like his thing, because I like to always think that Walt treated Jesse as his second son, like a son kind to him. And if he did in that moment, he was kind of being proud of his son, I suppose. And if he did think of Jesse as his second son, then Jesse would have been his closest son, a lot closer than he was to Walter Jr. Obviously, there's a lot more stuff to talk about that has happened in this episode. The Skylar stuff, neo-Nazi stuff I kind of skipped over, apart from the fact that Todd dies, Lydia dies. There's like heaps of stuff to talk about, and I could probably sit here for an hour, 24 hours talking about this final, but that would be really, really boring, so I just wanted to cover some of my favourite things about the finale. But lastly, I would like to say thank you to Vince Gilligan and his crew and the cast of Breaking Bad for making what I consider to be the best TV show ever made, or that I've ever seen. But I can judge what I want to judge. It is elevated TV for me. It is elevated how a character-driven medium of TV, how character-driven pieces can go. It's a fucking amazing show, and I'll be really surprised if anything ever comes along that's close to Breaking Bad. Anyway, thank you for watching this episode about talking about Breaking Bad, the final one that there'll ever be. If you've got any comments on the last episode, post them down below. We can talk about it and stuff like that. But now, cue Baby Blue.